Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by preparing the device and account. Sign into Windows with your Microsoft account and confirm device updates are installed. This ensures compatibility. Once done, open Settings and go directly to Update and Security to start enrollment. Make sure you have adequate disk space and a recent backup so updates won't risk data loss. Enable a local restore point or cloud backup before proceeding. This keeps you safe if a preview build behaves unexpectedly. You now enroll in the Windows Insider program. In Settings, navigate to Windows Update and select Windows Insider program, then click Link an account and pick the account you prepared. After linking, choose the Insider channel. Dev for earliest features, Beta for more stable previews, Release Preview for minimal risk. Once you select a channel, confirm diagnostic settings and accept the terms. Windows will register the device and schedule preview updates. Expect a reboot when the first preview installs. You finish by installing the preview and validating the system. After enrollment, open Windows Update, check for preview builds, download and install them, then reboot as prompted. If a build causes issues, use Settings Recovery to roll back to a previous build or perform a system restore. Keep your backup handy. If you encounter bugs, submit detailed reports in Feedback Hub with steps to reproduce. This helps Microsoft fix issues and improves future previews. Keep your device updated and monitor insider news.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.